What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to add the SU wallet token to your Wave wallet. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So just first of all open up the Wave wallet, and in the Wave wallet application open up the uh see wallet alongside it. As you guys can see that I have done on the Google Chrome extension. You can also use the Google Chrome extension in order to use the C wallet. So what we're gonna do is to add the C token to the Wave wallet. For that, the process is very simple. Just go back to the Wave wallet, and in the search icon, search for the C token. So once you search for the C token, you will see multiple options right over here. So just go and select the SU token and go and there's an option to add it. So just click on the add option. Once you do it, your token will be added. So that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.